Hi everyone, spring is in full bloom, which means it's time to start getting ready for camp. And we just have a few quick tips to help your child get ready. Some things that are really helpful to do are practicing routines. So for example, teaching your kids how to make their bed and then having them practice that for the next few months because that's something they'll do every day at camp. Similarly, they can start making sure they're washing their face, brushing their teeth, showering independently with maybe just one or two prompts. And finally, another great thing to do is to have them start taking responsibility for dirty laundry. So making sure that gets into their laundry basket or their laundry bag, which again is something they'll do every day at camp. One other tip would be to make sure that you're helping your early risers figure out some activities that they can do in bed quietly before they get up in the morning so that their bunkmates and their counselors can stay sleeping. And maybe this is rediscovering reading or drawing or listening to an audiobook or some music quietly in bed before they're coming downstairs to the kitchen for breakfast. This is something you can start practicing right away, maybe on the weekends, or certainly school days are another great opportunity for you to practice this. And speaking of not having devices at camp, we highly recommend that as we get closer to camp, your child has some times set aside where their devices have to be off and away so that they can rediscover some of these activities that I just mentioned. And maybe even teaching your child how to play solitaire with a real deck of cards instead of on a screen. My last tip is actually about packing. I really find it's helpful for campers to be involved in the process. So even though it's still a few months away, taking a look at the packing list in our family handbook with your child and thinking about what you might need to buy new, what might still fit from last summer, including shoes and rain boots and shoes that are great for water, or looking at hand-me-downs from older siblings or cousins or friends. Helping your child get involved in that process is really useful. And then they can help you come up with a list of things that you might need to purchase or borrow from other friends. This is a great way to keep them involved, sort of slowly getting them used to the idea of being away, and certainly giving them some agency in terms of which t-shirts they might bring, which shorts, which shoes, etc., etc. Again, we're so excited that camp is around the corner. Don't forget to read your family handbook and feel free to call us if you have questions.